Are you still managing time-based ticket rules by hand, manually escalating stale tickets, and chasing SLA breaches? The Zendesk Automation API can handle all of that programmatically, and today I'll show you exactly how to set it up. First, let's clear up the biggest point of confusion. Triggers fire instantly when something happens to a ticket, like a status change. Automations are different. They run on a schedule, checking time-based conditions every single hour. So what can you actually automate? Think SLA breach alerts when tickets sit unresolved for too long, priority escalation for aging tickets, follow-up reminders, auto-closing solved tickets, and even rebalancing agent workloads. These are the repetitive tasks that keep your queue healthy. Before you write any code, you need an API token. Head to your Zendesk Admin Center, enable token access under the API settings, and generate a new token. Copy it immediately because Zendesk won't show it again. Authentication uses basic HTTP with a simple format: your email/token, followed by a colon and your API key. Base 64, encode that string, and pass it as a header with every request to the automation's endpoint. The API gives you 5 standard REST endpoints for full lifecycle management. Get to list or show automations, post to create new ones, put to update existing rules, and delete to remove them. It's clean, predictable, and well documented. Every automation is a JSON object with 3 key parts: a title, a conditions block with all and any arrays for your logic, and an actions array that defines what happens when conditions are met. Here's what a real escalation rule looks like. What makes automation special are these time-based condition fields. You can track hours since creation, last update, assignment, request a response, and even due dates. These are exclusive to automations and power every time-sensitive workflow you'll build. Here's a practical example. This curl command creates an automation that checks for open tickets older than 24 hours and bumps their priority to high. Notice the condition checks status and hours since created, then the action changes the priority so it won't fire repeatedly. Never deploy an automation without testing it first. Verify your JSON structure, confirm your authentication works, and check your condition logic against test tickets. Use the usage sideload to monitor execution counts once it's live. If building API integrations feels like overkill for your team, eesel AI offers a no-code path. It connects directly to Zendesk and lets you configure automations in plain English with built-in simulation testing and no developer required. Ready to automate your Zendesk workflows? Try eesel AI free for 7 days. Set up smart ticket routing and escalation without writing a single line of code. Visit eesel.ai to get started. No credit card required.